Simele kwaze kusa simlindile.
Simbonile ku-Facebook ave muhle ushaya ngo-20 inches
Igama nesibongo bhuti.
uzukisa wakakeyi
Uzukisa wakakhe usuka kunendawo.
suka le e-Winston Park.
All the way uzobe ungazi uncami.
Yes, sabona ungami nje
Uthini kuncami namhlanje ngosuku olukhulu senze umlando.
happy birthday ngami siyimele inyama yegawu nayo isishebo sakhe nje semego ezinemego phakathi funa sona.
Eceleni kwami ugama nesibongo bhuti.
Kuthabo Mbotho mina.
Thabo Mbotho uqhamukaphi?
Emazimtoti.
Etoti all the way to say happy
Birthday Ncami.
umsungo kancami.
Shaya uNcami please sazoshaya phela sho njalo.
Hey, 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 hey. Angaze ngiyibone into enje.
Lalela kwenza umlando ke namhlanje owangempela nje zawa simele.
Elokugcina nje before ngintedele uNovember is a National Disability Awareness Month. Sithini ebantwini emakhaya abahlala nabantu abangaphilanga ngekhanda noma abakhubazekile, ababafihlayo, ababashayayo, ababahlukumezayo. Sithini kulabo bantu?
Sisho kulabo abahlukumezayo.
Yilabo abahlukumeza abantu abangaphilanga ngamakhanda abanama-disabilities.
I think it's up to us abantu abane-awareness ngaleyo nto ukuthi to educate them. 2 months ago we were celebrating deaf awareness. Most people they are born, especially deaf people, they are born in hearing families, so they don't know how to deal with deaf people. So it's up to us abantu abaziyo abanomqondo abane-awareness to teach others ukuthi this is how you deal with such. If we can sizobuyela kubuntu and then we will promote ubuntu, humanity.
Ubuntu ngabantu. Wena bhuti wami uthini kulabo ababafihlayo nababahlukumezayo?
No, like first thing first umuntu akazikhetheli ukuba yileyo. So kumele sibahloniphe, they are human beings, must treat them by respect. Senzisho ukuthi bayathandeka and then there's no need to sibaphathe kabuhlungu just because they were born in different way because they didn't choose to be the way they are. So sibahloniphe nje, sibathande, obhuti nabo sisi bethu. There's nothing wrong. The fact ukuthi umuntu uzalwe different than us doesn't mean ukuthi they are less of a person. So sibahloniphe nje.
Sibahloniphe. Umsungo kancami.
Ubukhara nomango.